More than 220,000 hospital-acquired infections occur in Canada each year, resulting in at least 8,000 deaths, costing up to $1.8 million in settlement. Your floors are one of the main sources of cross-contamination of pathogens. Traditional mop heads struggle to clean the hard-to-reach crevices found in today's textured flooring, and they can also be a cause of contamination between rooms. By combining disposable microfiber pads with 4,100 RPMs of superior cleaning power, the Doodle Mop obliterates the biofilm buildup commonly found in luxury vinyl tile and other textured flooring, reducing the risk of cross-contamination by up to 70%. This makes Doodle Mop an excellent machine for precision everyday floor cleaning in healthcare and senior care facilities. And for most promising, germ-free results, Doodle Mop can be used with our unique sanitizing and disinfecting tablets, Unitab, which is medically proven effective against various microorganisms including C. difficile spores and hepatitis. Dustbane since 1908